Fuck.
Oh, there is a little bit of sun, that's nice. Gotcha! Holy shit! There we go, that's the function. Alright. I'm using the iPhone as my microphone because I'm standing far away from the camera. So the Ninebot Z10. Many people love this wheel, many people hate it. It's kind of infamous for it. Most of the people who have tried other wheels don't like this wheel as much. As a first-time wheel owner, I enjoy it very much. I think it's very fun. For who are these kinds of wheels? This electric unicycle. Well, for the commuter that wants to commute to work, school maybe, or maybe just have fun riding in places, can use one of these. You can use this instead of a bike or instead of your car maybe. But like, that's the dumbest shit I've ever heard. Why would you ever use it instead of your car when you're going shopping? I don't know. For beginners, there is a learning curve. Like, you're gonna have some difficulties getting on wheels for the first time. If I turn the wheel on right now, it stabilizes itself, and it stabilizes itself forward and backwards, not on the sides. And some quick tips, I guess, for people who wants to try this shit. Dangerous as fuck. Wear a helmet, first of all. But then basically, when you're trying to get on, don't have it straight. The thing is, your weight will tip over when you try to stand up. So you gotta have it tilted and find your dominant foot. Mine is the right foot. So it's a lot easier for me to get on the thing, just putting the weights over. Then get on, and then I'm off. And like, it's really difficult some first times trying to drive this thing. You'll get used to it. There's a guy trying to get his moped license, I think. Who do you think is faster, the moped or me? It's me, motherfuckers. I'm the fastest. As you might think, you don't need a controller for this. You tilt forwards or backwards, depending on where you want to go. You want to go forward, lean forward. You want to stop, lean backwards. Like this. And just get off with your one foot and you're good to go. So that's how you use that. And remember to always turn off, because if you don't turn off, sometimes the wheel can go crazy. Oh, there we go. Oof. Sometimes it doesn't understand that it's being lifted up and it keeps spinning. All right. We're gonna relocate and see if we can get some drone shots and things like that. You're gonna fall a lot of times. If not, you're driving like a pussy. Falling is okay. They can take a hit. They'll get scratchy, but it's fine. I mean, they're built to be able to take some hits. So the build quality on these things aren't as bad as you think. So they're pretty sturdy. Zoom. Accelerates like super fast. And bumps and things like that, not a problem at all. It's a bit shaky, but it handles it just fine. Yeah, it's really shaky, but no problem at all, as I said. Ew, look at that. It's supposed to lock itself, but it doesn't sometimes. And if it doesn't, you get squirted on your face. Like, would it be fun to do some off-road testing? Oh yeah, that's steep. Oh, but it works. Holy shit, it works. This is kind of fun, actually. It's not mountain biking, but it's like off-road riding. It's pretty fun. Yeah! Oh yeah, we're going fast. We're going pretty fast now. Oh yeah, when you start out as a beginner, if you want to try training this wheel, find something like this. Find a nice fence or something you can hold on to, because this will keep your balance sideways. Rock back and forward like this. Just hold it when you're training on balancing. But I didn't do that shit. I just went fucking full on onto the wheel and just trained and go and fell. I fell multiple times first time I tried this. I think it took me about 20 minutes to actually get comfortable driving around in circles. It doesn't seem like a long time for most people. It depends on how fast you can learn things. If you have experience in balancing sports that requires balance, basically, you'll find it easier, a lot easier to get on this wheel. Yeah, you're gonna have a learning curve. You're gonna take some time getting comfortable on this wheel. I haven't had this much fun venturing just anywhere in a long time. And like commuting like this now, it makes it so much easier. And the fact that, you know, my electric longboard, you need to have this remote to increase the speed. You don't need that. If you want to go forward, you leave forward, but that basically leaves your hand free doing something else, like holding a camera. You're more free with this than you are with a bicycle. That's crazy, because then you have the handlebar you gotta hold. But with this, it's self-balancing, so you don't really need that.